Good morning, girls. Welcome to a new class of Standard 6 Subject Science. Students, before we had this few days holiday, we had finished with two revisions. Revision number 1 of motion and type of motion, and revision number 2, force and type of force. Today, we will be doing our next revision, revision number 3. It's of chapter 11, work and energy. Kindly take out your textbook. Kindly take out your file sheet or a notebook and start writing these revision questions. Are you all ready? We have already informed you all about your portion, your second unit test portion. I hope you all have noted it down. And now let's begin with revision number 3. All right, now let's start writing the questions. First question, fill in the blanks choosing the correct alternative from the brackets. I hope by now you all know how to write fill in the blanks. You will be writing the complete sentence and putting the blank, the correct answer that are given in the brackets. So here are our questions. First one, the solar cooker is an application of dash energy from the sun. Option, light, heat, sound. Second question, while measuring work, we take into account force and dash. Options, energy, displacement, time. I hope you all have written these two questions. Next, fill in the blank question. Third one, unit for work and energy is dash. Option, calorie, decibel, or joule. Fourth one, energy obtained from motion is called dash energy. Options, kinetic, potential, light. So you need to fill in the blank, the correct answers in the blanks that they have given. You have to choose it from the brackets given. So this was our first question. Moving on to the next question. Match the following. Question number 2 is match the following. Instructions how you are supposed to write. You will be writing question. You will put a hyphen and write a correct answer in front of it. No need of doing the cross markings. Option A, there are two brackets, A side and B side. In A side, they have given first one food, second is sunlight, third is uranium, and fourth is stretch bow. B column, A, atomic energy, B, potential energy, C, heat energy, and D, chemical energy. Have you finished copying, girls? If I'm going fast, you just pause the video and copy the questions, girls. Okay? Third question, find the odd one out. You need to find out the odd one out. First one, diesel, crude oil, natural gas, wind. So whatever is the odd one out, you need to circle that. Second question, sunlight, wind, waves, petrol. Have you finished copying, girls? Moving on to our next question. Question number 4, say true or false. Now this true or false are from your answers only. There's nothing that has been taken from within the text. It is all whatever answers are given from there only I have taken this filling the blank statements. Okay. First question. Energy is the capacity to do work. You have to write a statement and you have to say whether it is true or false. Second one. Conventional energy resources are inexhaustible. Third, energy can be transformed from one form to another. Fourth one, when an object changes its position, we say that displacement has taken place. So these are your 4 filling the blanks. Your question number 4. Question number 5. Give reasons. You have to write the reasons for this. These are again your textual questions only. Only thing is, I have written answer the following. I have converted to give reasons. That's it. There is no nothing that is taken from outside. Both the questions are there in your exercise. First one, we should save energy. Second question, we should maximize the use of non-conventional energy resources. Students, please take a note. When you write give reasons, you should either start the answer with the give reason question or you should end the question with the give reason question. Okay, so for example, we should save energy. Why we should save energy? You will write the reason. We should save energy because and write the points, or you will write the points and there you will at the end you will write therefore we should save energy. These are the 2 ways of writing give reasons. So give reason questions are clear to everyone. Moving on to the next question. Question number 6. Answer the following. First one, what is green energy? Second one, name the various forms of energy. So these are your 2 answer the following questions. So this was your revision number 3. We had 6 questions in revision number 3. That is filling the blanks, match the following, odd man out, true or false, give reasons and answer the following questions. You all will be writing it and write the answers, girls. These are all your textual questions. Thank you.